fishing. Currently kind of freezing. It's about 30 degrees out with a little bit of wind, so it's not it went from 70 to 30 in a day, so it's kind of a crappy day to say the least. But either way, I'm out here fishing, so I was bored and I didn't feel like sitting at home. Get to casting, spit, see if anything bites today. I'm only going to be out here for a little bit. I am not staying out here very long. I'm already cold last, but we'll see. But I don't know. Either way, it's cold. See how long that lasts. Chilly. I'm gonna put the anchor in a sec. I'm not really. Yeah, wind's blowing me right into the side. Put the anchor out in a sec. I mean, it's not windy, but it is. You know, it's like kind of a wind, kind of a not. Either way, it's pretty cold. Like I said, it's about 30 degrees right now. It dropped yesterday from 70 to 30, so pretty ridiculous, but I should be used to it. It's New York. See, I'll set the edge here for a little bit and see what happens, I guess. I don't know if I want to throw any. We'll see. If I get a bite, I get a bite. It was actually snowing a little bit this morning, which again is a little aggravating because it's literally the middle of March. It's almost the end of March, actually. So it's a little bit aggravating for me, but I guess I should be used to it. Did I actually just get a fish? I did. Oh, that's a nice. Wow, that's a nice guy. Ooh. Oh, that's a nice fish. I wasn't expecting anything today. That's a nice fish. I'll get the net out. Let's see. Oh, we stuck on. Come on. Net's failing already. Wow, that's not a bad fish. Not a bad fish at all. Whew. That was, what, I've only been here for 5 minutes. Yeah, not a bad fish at all. I gotta get used to the net. I've never had one, so it's kind of a new thing for me. But oh, I was not expecting that. Yeah, not a bad sized fish too. Right here. Flipped. Wow, that's a nice fish. That's my first fish of the year. Wow. They have red. Wow, that's beautiful red. First fish of the year, guys. I can't complain. That's probably about a 1.5. Get her weighed in a sec. But oh, I didn't bring my scale. Whatever. I figured I'd do something stupid today. Guess that's it. Let's get you out of here. Nice fish nonetheless. That's a nice fish. Not a bad fish, to say the least. I like that color. Wow, it's got really red. That's a nice fish. So, first bass of the year. I was not expecting that. Make Thank you, bud. Appreciate the bite. Well, that came in handy. Except for when I have to get my lure out. That's fun. Yeah, did not pull it out. Well, first fish of the year. Started off right. I mean, come on. I've not even been here for 10 minutes at least. First fish of the year. Wow, it's cold. Yeah, my hands are cold. I got hand warmers in my pockets, so I'm let my hands sit for a second. Casting. See if he frayed it at all. Doesn't look like it. Oh, my hands are cold. First fish of the year. Doozer for my nice fish, or first fish of the year. It was probably about a 2, close to. Long guy. I'll take it. Like I said, I really wasn't expecting to catch anything today. I was figuring they would be hunkered down because of the freeze again, but. So. Alright, let's see. See if I can get another one off this area. Well, Wick, like I predicted, first bass on jackhammer, per usual. That was the same thing last year, and actually the year before. It's a year-round bait. I don't know why people sleep on it so much. One of my best and favorite baits ever produced. So, people sleep on it, but ignore that. I gotta invest in some good gloves because I don't have it and I should. Right here. Relocate a little bit. Well, see how well that works right now. That's the air coming out my foot. Seeing them, I always point them out for myself. Just kind of a habit thing, you know? They're not too. There's actually a lot of Rangers around here. Not many. I mean, some of the newer pieces of junk, but yeah, if you drive, I'm sorry, the newer Rangers, the XLTs, and they're stupid. They look ugly. They look like crap. They don't fit the old Ranger, you know. This doesn't have the same body body style doesn't have the same. They're trying to make everything like not curved, but you know. Oh, weeds. Yeah, I was about to say. No way. Oh, I do have a fish. I was gonna say, that's a little guy. Not bad. I felt like weeds. He didn't fight. Of course, I can't do that. I'm about to hop right in it anyway. Well, I'm glad I stayed for a little bit longer. Caught second bass of the year. I didn't think I had a fish. Felt like weeds. Oh, not bad size. Whew. Probably about a pound. Still, fish is a fish. Wow, their lips are holy. Like, I know, like, maybe it's normal for this pond, and I feel like it is, but like, tell me I'm wrong. Those lips are freaking red. I don't know. Weird. Yeah. Maybe not a pound. Probably about 0.8. Not bad. Bit. Take it. I didn't think it was a fish. So, thank you, bud. Appreciate the bite. Should go without touching the water. Oh my gosh, my